Welcome back to my channel. Hair fall, bald spots, receding hairline. It's not just age, it's often because you're using the wrong solutions. In fact, 95% of men fail to stop baldness because they never understand the real root cause. But not anymore. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful treatments that are natural, backed by science, and proven to work, right from your home. 1. Block DHT, the hormone that kills hair. Most men don't realize this. The main reason behind male pattern baldness is a hormone called DHT. It shrinks your hair follicles until they stop growing. But you can fight it naturally. Eat pumpkin seeds. Drink green tea. Apply pumpkin seed oil weekly. These are natural DHT blockers that help protect your hair. 2. Wake up dormant follicles. Hair follicles don't always die, sometimes they just go to sleep. To reactivate them, try this shocking but effective method. Ice freeze aloe vera gel into small cubes. Rub on scalp for 2 to 3 minutes before oiling. It boosts blood circulation, tightens pores, and delivers vitamins straight to the scalp. This is better than normal ice cubes, and no one's talking about it. 3. Natural paste to stop hair fall. Licorice root isn't just a spice, it's a natural DHT blocker and anti-inflammatory. Combine it with rosemary oil and you have a powerful treatment. Recipe: 1 tablespoon licorice powder, 2 tablespoons milk, 3 to 4 drops rosemary essential oil. Apply on bald or thinning areas, leave for 30 minutes, rinse off. It blocks DHT and soothes the scalp naturally. 4. DIY fermented spray, hair growth enzyme booster. Forget plain rice water. Here's a fermented scalp spray that boosts enzyme activity and regrows hair from the roots. Recipe: 1 tablespoon rice, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, a few curry leaves. Soak in 1 glass water for 24 hours. Strain and spray 3 to 4 times a week. This restores scalp health and boosts new growth. 5. Release scalp tension, the overlooked baldness cause. There's a theory called scalp tension theory. Tight muscles on your head reduce blood flow and slowly kill hair follicles. Use a scalp massage brush or your fingers to massage your scalp in circular and zigzag motions 5 minutes daily. This improves oxygen flow and helps regrow hair, naturally. Why 95% men fail, but you won't? Most hair treatments only work on the surface, but the real causes are inside: DHT, poor circulation, scalp damage. Fixing these 3 things is the key to reversing baldness, and now, you know how. Which of these 5 treatments will you try first? Tell us in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. Because now you're smarter than the 95% still losing hair. Thank you for watching.